In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Microsoft PowerPoint. Keeping PowerPoint current ensures you have the latest features, security fixes, and performance improvements, so this quick process is well worth a minute of your time. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have a presentation open, save your work before continuing. Updates can occasionally require closing the app, and saving now prevents any chance of losing changes. It's also a good idea to make sure you have a stable internet connection, since PowerPoint will need to reach Microsoft's update servers. Next, head to the Account area. Click the File tab in the upper left corner, then select Account. In some versions, you may see Office Account instead. This section is where PowerPoint manages licensing and updates, and you'll find everything you need in one place. On the Account page, look for the Updates area, usually labeled Office Updates or Update Options. Click Update Options, then choose Update Now. PowerPoint will begin checking for available updates. You'll see a brief status message while it looks for anything new. This can take a moment, so let it run. If you don't see the Update Options button or it's grayed out, your device may be managed by your organization, and updates could be controlled by your IT department. In that case, you might need to contact them to get the latest version. If updates are found, follow the prompts to download and install them. PowerPoint may ask you to close open Office apps like Word or Excel so it can finish installing. Go ahead and accept those prompts. If you're prompted for administrator permission on your device, approve it so the installer can complete. The download size and time can vary, especially if it's a larger feature update, so be patient and let it finish without interrupting the process. When the installation completes, close PowerPoint and reopen it. This restart makes sure all updated components load correctly. If you had any documents open, reopen them now. Finally, verify the update. Return to File, select Account again, and check the version information. You should see a note indicating that you're up to date or showing the latest version and build number. That confirmation lets you know everything installed successfully. And that's it. By opening PowerPoint, going to Account, checking for updates, installing them, restarting, and verifying the version, you'll keep your software running smoothly and securely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the latest PowerPoint features with confidence.